Navigate to the web page for the PPI Ignite network at UCD at www.ucd.ie/PPI. Go to the Plan tab and select Budgeting for PPI. Scroll to the bottom of the page and download the Cost Calculator tool. Click to open the file. Tab 1 has guidance on how to use the tool. Tab 2 is divided into sections to help you consider what resources you may need. You may not need all resources. Every project is different. It is up to you and your project team to decide which resources may be applicable to your project. In this example, a PI is collaborating with 4 people with lived experience. They have discussed together how they are going to collaborate throughout the project. Under payment and reward, they plan on a gratuity of €200 per year per person as vouchers. No other benefits in kind are applicable in this section for this project. Under expenses, the team have estimated there will be 1 in-person meeting per year and budgeted €160 in travel expenses per person. They've also used the subsistence at the UCD day rate for each PPI contributor. To cover out-of-pocket expenses, such as Wi-Fi and stationery, they have budgeted for home stationery costs for each contributor at €75 per year. Under involvement activity, in this case, the PPI contributors and the academic researchers have worked together on the application, so there is no advertising or outreach costs. The only costs applicable in this section for the project are an annual training budget per person and a conference budget per person. Under staffing costs, in this case, the project team do not find this section applicable to them. Under other costs, in this case, the project team have not identified any other costs associated with PPI for this project. As you can see at the bottom, the overall total per annum has been calculated. We now copy this figure. To add this to the overall project budget, navigate to the UCD Research Portal. Under Proposal, select Prepare and Approve Budget. Click on the large blue oval to access the UCD pre-award budget templates. You may need to log in via UCD single sign-on to access these. Select the budget template of interest. In this case, we will select the template for the HRB A/PP award. Download and open the template. Read the instructions, then select the Running Costs tab. In this template, it is labeled Step 2. Under Cost Type, from the drop-down menu, select PPI Costs. You can now paste your per annum PPI cost into the relevant cells. This automatically calculates the total costs and adds them to the overall running costs. You can check the budget summary has been auto-updated on the final tab, labeled Project Budget.